Junkyard Gems by Zabos Customs. Here's a rare find. You've got a T100. It is a four-wheel drive, 3400. But what's I think is special about it here is the fact I've never seen it. Look at that. 5-speed. And I've got a T100 and I would love to get that out of there. And the mileage is 290, 239. So we got plenty of room to get up there and get it out of there. But being the four-wheel drive, you get transfer case right there. That transfer cases, they're heavy. Cross member. That drive shaft all kinked up. Exhaust cut off as usual. May come back and revisit this. It's 95. Very well used.